Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Valorant region. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your browser and search for Riot support. After that you have to tap on the first link, which is Riot Game Support. Okay, now you have to scroll down until you find the option Valorant. Here it is, tap on it. Now again you have to scroll down until you find the option Submit a Ticket. Here it is, tap on Submit a Ticket. Okay, this will lead you to this interface. So you have to scroll down again and you have to choose request type, tap on it, and you have to scroll down until you found account management data request or deletion. Tap on it. This will extend the option. Again, you can see there are many options like subject description, select your inquiry like that. Tap on subject and write account region. Okay, then you have to write description like I want to change my region. It was a mistake while I was putting my region. Now you have to please select your inquiry, so tap on it and select account management. Then you have to tap on login name and write your login name. Then you have to tap on please select your inquiry, scrolling and select need help changing region or of residence or country assigned to the account. Then you have to attach something. If you have like a screenshot or a screen record, then you have to click submit. Hopefully they will get back to you with the solution. And that's all about today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.